When people think about hotel points, they usually think Hyatt or Hilton or Marriott. But what if I told you that some of the best luxury redemptions are actually hiding in programs almost nobody talks about? Today I'm showing you Choice Hotels and Preferred Hotels, which are two programs that can unlock boutique resorts, historic hotels, all-inclusive vacations, and even five-star luxury for far fewer points than you'd expect. From what banks can you transfer your points to Choice and Preferred? With Choice, you can transfer them from American Express, Capital One, Citi, and Wells Fargo. It's a 1-to-1 transfer ratio from Amex and Capital One, a 1 to 1.5 transfer rate from Citi, and a 1-to-2 transfer ratio from Wells Fargo. So one Wells Fargo point turns into 2 Choice points. Pretty sweet. And with Preferred Hotels, you can transfer them from Capital One, Citi, and Bilt. All three of these banks offer a 1-to-2 transfer ratio. So again, this is why I'm saying you can get outsized value from these properties. But as you start looking at their property footprint and how much it costs to book in points, I wanted to give you a heads up on 2 things. 1, some preferred hotels can be booked significantly cheaper on points through the Choice Hotels program. And 2, Choice Hotels only allows you to book with points just 100 days in advance. If you set your date more than 100 days out, it'll just show that the hotel is sold out or will give you an error message. Now, what kinds of properties can you expect from Choice and Preferred? Yes, Choice has plenty of comfort inns and quality inns, but if that's all you think that they have, you're missing some incredible hidden gems. Their Ascend collection includes boutique hotels, historic landmarks, beachfront resorts, and even blue-green vacation club properties. Some properties that are on my own list include Emotions by Hodelpa Juan Dolio in Dominican Republic, as it's an all-inclusive beachfront resort starting at 25,000 points. We also have the Curtis Hotel in Buffalo, New York for 35,000 points. Elizabeth Oceanfront Suites in Newport, Oregon, also for 35,000 points, and the Fort Garry Hotel in Winnipeg, Canada for 20,000 points. This one is pretty cool as it's actually a Grand Historic Railway Hotel that dates back to 1913. Now, what about preferred hotels? Most of them are like the Choice Hotels Ascend collection, boutique, historic, and super charming hotels. So think like lodges, Irish Manors, and cliffside retreats. They are just as expansive in Europe as they are in the US. And some of the preferred properties on my own list, again, include the West Baden Springs Hotel in French Lick, Indiana for 40,000 points. The Biltmore Hotel in Coral Gables, Florida for 55,000 points. Canaves Villa Suites in Santorini, Greece for 85,000 points. Hotel Villa Cipriani in Solo, Italy for 55,000 points. And the Grand Hotel Victoria in Lake Como, Italy for 80,000 points. Gorgeous properties, huh? So don't sleep on Choice and Preferred. Everyone chases Hyatt redemptions, but sometimes the very best hotels in your destination is hiding in one of these programs instead. I'd love to know, which of these hotels would you book first? Let me know in the comments. Of course, when you're ready to open your own credit cards to score yourself some free travel with, I'd be ever so grateful if you'd apply using my referral links to show your support. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to stay in the know of travel hacking and everything Leen on Travel.